Hardik Pandya. From struggling streets to stardom, Hardik Pandya's journey from the bylanes of Vadodara to the grand stadiums of international cricket is a testament to resilience, determination, and the unwavering belief that dreams can be realized against all odds. His story is not just about cricket, it's about overcoming adversity, defying expectations, and rising above circumstances. Early life in Surat and Vadodara. Born in Surat, Gujarat, Hardik's family faced financial challenges that led them to relocate to Vadodara in search of better opportunities. His father, Himanshu Pandya, operated a small car finance business. However, the business was not yielding sufficient income, prompting the family to move to Vadodara. There, Himanshu worked various odd jobs before starting a modest car finance venture. Despite his efforts, the financial strain continued to affect the family. During this period, Hardik and his elder brother Krunal were introduced to cricket. Their father, a cricket enthusiast, enrolled them in Kiran Mo's Cricket Academy in Vadodara, hoping to provide them with better facilities and training. However, the financial constraints meant that the brothers often had to make do with limited resources. Struggles on the cricket field. The brothers' commitment to cricket was evident, but their circumstances were challenging. They often played local tournaments in nearby villages. Earning modest fees, Hardik received 400 rupees per match, while Krunal earned 500 rupees. These earnings were crucial for the family, providing some relief during tough times. However, the money was barely enough to cover basic expenses. Their diet was equally frugal. Hardik recalls that during his under 19 days, their meals consisted mainly of Maggi noodles, sometimes twice a day. They would request hot water from the grounds gardener to prepare their meals. This routine continued for an entire year, highlighting the extent of their financial struggles. Borrowed kits and hidden car MS. The lack of funds meant that the brothers couldn't afford their own cricket kits. They had to borrow equipment from the Baroda Cricket Association for their matches. Despite these hardships, they managed to buy a car, which, at the time, seemed like a significant achievement. However, the car came with its own set of challenges. The family had to pay monthly MS of 10,000 rupees, a substantial amount given their limited income. There were times when they couldn't afford the bus fare, and the brothers would travel without tickets. Relying on their determination to pursue their passion. Family health crisis. The family's struggles intensified when their father suffered multiple heart attacks, leading to a significant decline in his health. As the sole breadwinner, his inability to work further strained the family's finances. The brothers, still in their teens, felt the weight of responsibility on their shoulders. They continued to play cricket, not just for their passion but also to support their family during these trying times. Breakthrough in IPL. Despite the numerous challenges, Hardik's talent did not go unnoticed. In 2015, he was picked up by the Mumbai Indians for 10 lakh rupees in the IPL auction. This was a turning point in his career. His performances in the IPL caught the attention of selectors, and soon, he was representing India on the international stage. The financial stability that came with his IPL contract allowed him to support his family and invest in his future. Rise to stardom. Hardik's rise in international cricket was meteoric. He became known for his aggressive batting, sharp bowling, and dynamic fielding. His performances in various formats of the game earned him accolades and recognition. Off the field, he became a youth icon, known for his style, confidence, and charisma. However, Hardik remains grounded, often reflecting on his humble beginnings. He acknowledges that his struggles shaped his character and instilled in him a sense of gratitude and humility. His journey serves as an inspiration to many, proving that with determination and perseverance, one can overcome even the most daunting challenges. Conclusion. Hardik Pandya's story is a powerful reminder that success is not defined by one's beginnings but by the courage to pursue one's dreams relentlessly. From borrowing cricket kits to playing in international stadiums, Hardik's journey embodies the spirit of resilience and the belief that no dream is too big to achieve. His tale continues to inspire countless individuals, especially those facing hardships, to chase their aspirations with unwavering determination.